Hey, it's Chef Mark here. Today we're going to discuss sourness. In Kids Cooking Club, we've been going over the 5 flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savory. And we've been focusing on sour this week. I've been teaching the kids that sourness helps just elevate food and make it kind of pop. That's the word that always comes to mind. The opposite of that is the flavor tastes dull. And a lot of times that's because it's maybe too sweet. It has a kind of a roundness to it. It's just maybe a little too fatty or something. It's just not kind of like popping out and making it taste really good to our taste buds. So I've been showing the kids that just a little bit of either fresh lemon or lime juice or some sort of vinegar can help make the foods just taste a lot better and a lot more easy to enjoy. Today I'm going to show you the simple example of what I actually encountered this week myself. I used this very salad dressing for my lunch the other day, and I didn't love it. I thought it was just lacking something. So let me just show you simply what I did here. I started by pouring some into a bowl. As always, we can taste things as we go and before we taste them final. It's pretty nice. It has a nice mango-y flavor. There's some chili flakes in here, so maybe for kids it's a little too spicy. It might not be quite the right thing. But overall, it's okay. But I feel like it just needs a little more acidity. And that was the thought that I had too. So I take my fresh lime here. And here's a little trick. Before I cut the lime, I'm actually going to push on the countertop and roll it and see if I can get it to actually start to feel a little bit softer as I do that a few times. As I've done that, I'm actually kind of rupturing some of the internal structure and making the juice a lot easier to flow freely. And we'll see that as soon as we open it up here. Already got a little dot of juice on the cutting board. And now I take my favorite citrus squeezer, the Chefin Fresh Force citrus juicer. And I don't typically call out products too much, but I really like this one specifically for kids because it has this geared mechanism that makes it super strong. The other ones are just hinged and they don't have nearly the same amount of force that the kids can get on there. So just 2-hand push here and just till we get a few drops of lime juice. Limes and lemons are pretty acidic, so we want to make sure that we're getting just a little bit to start and we can add more as we go. So I'm just going to give it a little stir here with my whisk. And then I can give it a taste again and see where it's at. I already like that a lot more. It's actually brightened up a little bit. I have a lot more puckery feelings in my mouth. And with salad dressings, we actually want them to be overly flavorful. So maybe a little too sour by itself and maybe a little too salty by itself. So I might even add a little bit of salt too. Here's a little pinch of salt. Tasting again. Okay, that's really elevated all of the flavors. The salt just amplified everything. So the mango flavor kind of comes out more. There's a lot more sourness coming along. I might even add just a teeny bit more. I'm just in that mood. I'm thinking about sour and I want it to really taste overtly sour. All right, that's good for me. So that's the process right there. Do this along with your child. Take either a store-bought salad dressing or make a simple one with some olive oil, maybe some sort of citrus juice, a little bit of salt, stir it together, taste it, and have them see what they think. You can add acidity little by little as you go and see how incrementally that changes the flavor. And really, it's only up to you. If your kid's the one making the dish, it's up to them to see, do they like this on their vegetable, especially something like a salad dressing. We're gonna get our kids to eat salad. So if we can make the dressing taste really great and get the kids to eat veggies, that's the win. That's what I'm working on here at Kids Cooking Club. You can do this along with your kid this week, and you can have them join me in my online weekly Kids Cooking Club live stream class where your kid gets to cook from their home kitchen. Right there, you get to hand off your kitchen to your child for a little bit, 45-minute live stream cooking class with me. And during that time, your kid will learn some fundamental skills like this, such as assessing and adjusting flavors, along with eating lots of healthy food and cooking and having fun as we go. So it encourages independence in your child and gives them kind of some screen-free screen time as they're watching me on the screen. They actually are participating in something physical in the real world here. That's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.